Come test drive the 2017 Range Rover Sport. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, braking assist, air suspension, rear fog light, power brakes, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, retained accessory power, overhead console, cargo area light, real-time traffic, trip odometer, rear floor mats, powered by intelligence, brilliance by design. Range Rover Sport is in a class of one. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.